The K Series LED grow light has a user manual by AGLEX. The AGLEX Series LED grow lights are featured perfect full spectrum and design. It comes with a 6-foot quarter bout, and you have, here's the daisy chain, you have the hanging bracket, and you can see how well packed it is. They got these corner protectors, and you have a transformer. You have the control switch and everything on the front of the unit and the lights. These are all Samsung LEDs, super bright and more efficient than any other grow lights. The UL driver applies 100 watt, 180 watt, 360 watts are available. Samsung LEDs are used. Fanless is not noisy. Sunlight spectrum LED grow light, ideal for all phases of plant growth. So here we are. We're going to plug this bad boy in. If we have another unit, this is called the daisy chain, and they go into the back of the unit over here. You simply plug it in. You take this cable and you bring it to the next grow light. Now the beauty of this grow light is, if you want to really make a nice box for it, you can. It's not that hard to do. This basically hangs up on your wall, your ceiling, wherever you want to put it, your greenhouse and so forth. And they give you these little clips and hooks to do so. You take the clip, you clip it on to the end the best you can, safely. Snap into place like so. Slide over the edge. And hangs level like so. I am going to hang mine over my arm, and I am going to hook it up to a power bank, and I am going to have two ways to turn this bad boy on. There's an on and off switch for direct on, like so. And if I shut it off and I want to put it on a dimmer, I do it like so by turning the switch, and I can increase the brightness level I want. It goes into the increments of 10%, 90, 80, 70, 60, 50, 40, 30, 20, 10, and off. Please forgive the camera, but here's the light on it full. You can see the color spectrum that the camera is showing. If I put my hand underneath this, the lights are warm, they're not burning hot, and they've only been on for a couple of seconds. To learn more about your plant grow light, the K1, 180, and 360, they all have different various heights where you put your plant lights at 20 inches and 24 inches. We are about at the right height so the plants can grow. The daisy chain has a dimmer, like we said. It brightens and dims. You can hit the dimming switch and it will override your dimmer. You can shut your dimmer switch off and then shut your switch off entirely and the unit goes off. So there are a number of ways to operate this unit. It has over 250 LED lights for one model. And the next model will have 504, and the last model will have 1008. It is 110 volts at 0.86 amps for this model, the next model 1.5 amps, and then 3 amps for the model afterwards. This is an excellent product. You could daisy chain more than one, different models for your needs. If you're looking for something to start a greenhouse, give lights to your plants, run it off of a power bank for so many hours that's off of a solar panel, there's a lot you can do and make this portable. If you want to put it up in a room like so, you can simply unplug it, plug it into an outlet, and you may not see that flickering. So there's a lot you can do with the green light. I hope you enjoy this product. If it's right for you, growing some plants, getting vegetables going, and so on. Enjoy your green grow light. It's a full spectrum LED light.